morning, my dear students. Today we will perform about the very first experiment related to power electronics, that is called to study of the SCR. I think so theoretical portion is over from your theory class to your theory classes. So under this practical we will our aim is to view the VI characteristics of SCR on the with the help of CRO, and second one is to measure the forward anode current and reverse anode current, and also measure the forward anode to cathode voltage and reverse anode to cathode voltage. This is our two basic aim under this experiment, right? For the performing of this experiment we are required to some apparatus, that measure three apparatus is required. One is required to SCR trainer kit, or second one is required to CRO, right? And third one is called as a connecting wire, and some people are connecting wire is called as a probe card. So before understanding of this experiment, first I will give the brief idea about the theoretical background of the SCR. We know that very well about the SCR, the construction view of SCR, the P-type of semiconductor material or N-type of semiconductor materials. The P-type semiconductor material, N-type of semiconductor material, P, N, P, N, P, right? So P, N, P, N and P, right? Sorry, P, N, P, and N. These types of constructions, right? And this top is called as a anode terminal and bottom is called as a cathode terminal, and this is take out from the P layers or P type of semiconductor material is called as a gate terminal, and this become as a one junction, that is J junction J1. This is another junction J2 junction, or this one is called junction J3. The junction J1 is having between P or N, and junction J2 N into P, and junction J3 between P or N type of semiconductor material, right? So one by one, for the understanding of these characteristics, first these characteristics understand with three mode: first mode, second mode and third mode, right? So one by one I will explain about the all mode operations. So before explaining the mode operation, first I will discuss about the symbolic representations of SCR. This is the symbolic representation of SCR. SCR is look like a diode, but one difference here, having one gate terminal, anode, cathode and gate, three terminals are required, right? So under this first mode, the first mode is called reverse blocking mode operation. This reverse blocking mode operation, the anode to cathode voltage is less than to 0 and no gate current will be provided, right? No gate current will be provided. It means under this mode operations, this anode is connected to negative terminal of the supply and this cathode is connected to positive terminal of the supply. For the better understanding, if you are considering the diode has the P-type of material and N-type of material, right? And this P-type material and N-type material, anode is connected to negative terminal and cathode is connected to positive terminal. We know that very well. This diode is behave like a reverse bias condition. Reverse bias conditions in electrical equivalent circuit diagram treat like a open circuited. So here become a three junction J1, J2 and J3. So correspondingly we can say junction J1 is having in reverse bias condition, junction J2 is having in forward bias condition, and junction J3 is having a reverse bias condition. So first we will make the equivalent circuit diagram of this particular mode operation. So this mode operation J1, this is called as a J2 and this one is called as a J3. So J1 is open circuited, J3 is open circuited and J2 is having in short circuited. Why? Because it is having in a forward bias conditions. So we know that the anode to cathode current is not flow from here to here, but voltage will be appear anode to cathode terminal. No current will be flow under this mode, but voltage will be appear. The voltage will be appear across the junction J1 and across the junction J3. In this characteristics, if you are observing these characteristics, then what happen? This is our voltage axis and this one is your current axis. We are providing the negative voltage, anode is negative and cathode is positive. So this anode, this voltage is negative, the voltage will be appear to this line. This line is represent as a reverse
voltage, right? Reverse voltage, anode to cathode reverse voltage, and we can say reverse breakover voltage. Reverse breakover voltage, but a small amount of current will be flow. That current is called as a leakage current. When you are providing or when we are giving them more than this reverse breakover voltage, then what happen? SCR will get damaged. So this value is given by the manufacturer. So this is called as a mode 1 operation. Under this mode of 1 operation, no current will flow. Only we are getting the voltages, right? So we can get the reverse, we can say ki anode to cathode voltage will be get. After understanding of the mode 1 operation, we will discuss about the mode 2 operation. Under mode 2 operation is called as a forward blocking mode operation. Forward blocking mode operations, we are giving anode voltage is greater than to 0. It means this anode to cathode voltage is positive, right? And no gate current will be provided. Again, we are not providing the no gate current. It means this case we can say that this anode terminal become positive with respect to cathode terminal, right? With anode terminal become positive, it means for the better understanding here I am considering the one diode. So diode has P type of semiconductor material, N type of semiconductor material. The P is connected to positive terminal and K is or cathode is connected to negative terminal. We can understand, we can say that this diode is having a forward bias condition. Similarly, here become a 3 junction, J1 junction, J2 junction and J3 junction, right? So this J1 junction is having in the forward bias conditions and J2 is reverse bias condition and J3 is having a forward bias conditions. Now I want to interested to make a equivalent circuit diagram of this particular circuit. So this J1 is short circuited, J3 is short circuited, but J2 is open circuited. Here J2 is open circuited. What happened? Open circuited, it means again we can say no current will be flow from anode to cathode terminal. When anode to cathode terminal, it means anode current. No anode current, it means we can say SCR will not turn on conditions. SCR right now still we can say SCR is having in the off state conditions, but all the voltage from the supply, that voltage is called anode to cathode, will be appear across the junction J2. This voltage across the junction J2 will be represented in this characteristic like this. This is called as a forward breakover voltage, VBO, or avalanche breakdown, right? In the diode manners, people are saying avalanche breakdown, right? So this is represented as a forward blocking mode operations. Forward blocking mode operation, SCR will not start under these conditions. Again, SCR is having to more voltage, less amount of current. Due to minority or majority charge carriers, leakage current will be flow. So this height is represented as a leakage current. Exactly this height is represented as a leakage current. Now, after understanding of the mode 2 operation, we will discuss about the mode 3 operations, right? Under the mode 3 operation is called as a forward conduction mode operation. Forward conduction mode operation, same thing, anode to cathode voltage is greater than 0. It means we are providing anode is positive, cathode is negative with respect to, but here one change is happening as compared to the mode 2 operations. No gate current will be 0. Here we are providing the gate current. Whenever we are providing the gate current, so I will make the one gate terminal, or here we are providing the some gate current. Whenever we are providing the gate current, what happen? Whenever we are providing the gate current, then this depletion layer will be vanished. When this depletion layer will be vanished, then this become as a short circuit. When the junction J2 become as a short circuit during this mode operation, so we can say, this particular case we can say the current is flowing from anode to cathode, right? When the current is flow anode to cathode, any short circuit terminal, we know that voltage become minimum. Voltage become minimum. That's why this point shifted to here. When this point is shifted to here, you can plot one projections, so this voltage will be reduced. This forward breakover voltage will be reduced during the mode 3 operation, that is called forward conduction mode operation. It means what happened, we can say कि here from this point the current anode to cathode will be start to flowing, and this is called as a conduction mode operation. So this is the characteristics of we can say VI characteristics of SCR. This characteristics we will see in the on the CRO. So later, after understanding of this particular theory things, we will move to the circuit trainer kit, and then I will show this characteristics right on the CRO. Then after understanding of this whole things, we will one more things we will observe in this practical, that is called as the observation table. In this observation table, we will measure the forward anode current, reverse anode current, forward anode to cathode voltage, reverse anode to cathode voltage at the different mode operation, different triggering level 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can say minimum to maximum triggering level. When we are triggering level will be changed, this characteristic will be changed, right? So we will observe these things, this characteristic, how to change these characteristics later we will observe. So this is the circuit diagram, or we can say triggering diagram of the SCR. So here one isolation transformer are used. This isolation transformer convert 230 volt AC supply to 36 volt of AC supply, and this is called as our anode terminal. This is our anode terminal, and this one is called as our cathode terminal, right? So anode and cathode terminal, so this is positive and negative. Anode is connected to positive terminal, cathode is connected to negative terminal, and this is the whole circuitry diagram. And this is the port resistance. When we are changing the port resistance, this characteristics will be changed because we are triggering of the gate terminal. This triggering level G1, G2, G3, this gate triggering, we are triggering of the gate current will be changed. When gate current will be changed, the amount of anode to cathode current will be changed. Correspondingly, the voltage will be changed, right? And for the observing of these characteristics here, two things are also mentioned, that is called x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is connected to oscilloscope, or we can say CRO channel number 1, and y-axis is connected to channel number 2, and the reference point of this oscilloscope probe card is connected to here. So later we will see all about this particular things, how to perform this particular practical. Now I think so after understanding of theoretical background, we will move to the trainer kit, right? So this is the trainer kit. Under this trainer kit, what happened? This is our trainer kit. I think so people, you can observe this trainer kit. So this is the SCR trainer kit, and also we will perform one more practical on this trainer kit, that is called as a triac, right? And one more practical we can perform